How to create a photo collage on Facebook story. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are confused about how to add multiple pictures in one Facebook story, you're in the right place. Today I'll be teaching you how to create a photo collage on Facebook story. It's quick and easy, so let's dive right in. First thing first, I want you to know that there is no collage option for a Facebook story. So in order to do that, you need to go to your Instagram, and once you're in the Instagram, you need to go to your story and then tap on layout. From here, you need to select some pictures that you want to add to your collage. And once you have done that, you can simply tap on now. Now that your collage is ready, you need to click on write. Now, what you can do is you can tap on the three dots located in the top right corner of your screen and save the photo. Now you have saved it, you need to go back to your Facebook profile and then you need to go to create your story. Now you can simply see the collage is present here. That now you can add multiple pictures in a single photo. Now you can and that's how you create a collage, and now you can simply share on it. No, share to Facebook only, and that's it. You now know how to add a collage on your Facebook story. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. I'll see you in the next video.